fast enough. You talk too much shit, but don't back it up. Shoot on deck if you're tryna get bagged up. It's broken boy, bitch, I don't need to throw rags up. I put that on my mama. High tech sipping got me sweating like a sauna. Acting like a bitch when you fuck with the drama. It's only 2 pops, little but then you were gonna. Yeah, broken, goated up. Pop my cape and run it up. Make that bag, I'ma give it to my mom. At the end of the day, that's the only one I got. She's holding on the gun in the clothing. The shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect whip to die in. She say she love me, but I know the bitch rolling up a blind.
felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.